In the vast canvas of the cosmos, we often gaze outward, seeking answers among the stars.
But what if the greatest mystery lies not in the depths of space, but in the boundless complexity of our own minds?
The human brain, a 3-pound organ, is the most intricate object we've ever discovered.
It's a universe in itself, housing an estimated 86 billion neurons, each a star in this celestial network. These neurons form trillions of connections or synapses, creating pathways for thought, emotion, and memory. It's a dynamic, ever-changing landscape, sculpted by every experience, every interaction, every single thought.
From the simple act of breathing to the profound power of language and creativity, our mind orchestrates everything.
It's the engine of consciousness, the source of our dreams and fears, our love and our sorrow. It's a symphony of electrical and chemical signals, a dance of neurotransmitters that define who we are. The mind isn't just a passive observer, it's an active creator of our reality.
Our perception of the world is not a direct translation of what's out there. Instead, it's a construction, a model built by our brains based on sensory input and past experiences. Think of a simple illusion: your eyes see one thing, but your brain interprets something else. This remarkable ability to model reality is what allows us to learn, to imagine, and to innovate.
This is your brain that makes you function.
This is what makes you think about the world, makes you understand. It's the theme of the bounded vast finite life with infinite passion,